Welcome back. Panch of Arpora, Nagoa, Cleophas Fernandes has surrendered before Anjuna police. Cleophas is being accused of assaulting Calangute MLA Michael Lobo. Later, Mapsa court released Cleophas on bail. On the other side, Special Panji Anti-Corruption Court has reserved its order on an application seeking direction to register FIR against Speaker Rajendra Arlekar in disproportionate assets case. The court will pronounce its verdict on 15th of December.
After absconding for 4 days, accused Panch of Arpora Nagoa Cleophas Fernandes on Tuesday surrendered before Anjuna police. Cleophas on 6 December is being accused of assaulting Calangute MLA Michael Lobo. Court has granted bail to Cleophas on bond of 10,000 rupees and he has to appear before Anjuna police station for next 3 days.
पुश करता जाल्यार तेजो PSO जो ड्यूटी ऑन द ड्यूटी हा तो कितें तरी एक्शन घेवपाक म्हणजे ते पूण तेणेन कित्याक घेवंक ना ती हांव फोटिंग म्हणा करना एक्चुअली मायकल म्हाजो बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Judiciary did not know that he is a habitual offender and he's got so many cases filed on him in the police station. He is a history sheeter. Externment proceedings are going on in North Goa collector against him. तडी पार करपाची proceeding चालू हा म्हणजे इतले केसेस असताना त्याका बेल मेवला. The judge knows better. I cannot tell.
Meanwhile, the Special Panji and Anti-Corruption Court on Thursday concluded the hearing of an application seeking direction to register FIR against Speaker Rajendra Arlekar in disproportionate assets case. The court reserved its order for 15 December. Petitioner Advocate Irish Rodriguez has sought direction to register FIR against Rajendra Arlekar for purchasing a land at Porvorim worth 72 lakhs. Special Panji Anti-Corruption Court on Thursday granted bail to ex-Sarpanch of Sakwal, Ramakant Borkar. The court has granted Borkar bail on a personal bail bond of 50,000 rupees and a surety of like amount. The court has also directed Ramakant Borkar to appear before investigating officer for next 5 days. Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Age limit for government servants should be 40. This demand comes from Kurtori Congress MLA Alexo Reginaldo. He claims that unemployment is at an alarming rate. Alex has also opposed extensions given to the government servants. He has appealed the youth to come out against the Parsekar-led government.
Unemployment padha इतले rate alarming zalo ha की परिवर्तन म्हणते promise केला ते BJP just फकत लोका फोडोवपाक आणि फकत हे काम करपाक आणि हे काम करतलो ते करतलो म्हणून सांगपाक आणि तेच लोकांचे जे मनीस ते वोट मारताय तेच मनशांची परती तांकां त्रासां उडोवपाचे. युथाक सारखेच टार्गेट केलो आहा. युथाक कांय फॅसिलिटी ना. युथाक एक बरो एक जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणते ना. जॉब्स जर आहाय ते कांय हे जाय नाही. देर इज नो ट्रान्सपेरन्सी इन द जॉब्स. एक्सटेंशन दिवप कितले एक्सटेंशन दिवप आमी लास्ट असेंब्ली मागले ऑलमोस्ट 40 जाले आत गोड 50 जाले आसली. लेटेस्ट फिगर्स येयले नाही. हे असेंब्लीन परतून क्वेश्चन घातलो. एवरी असेंब्ली क्वेश्चन घालता विचारपाक कितले एक्सटेंशन दिले काय म्हणून. that age limit पडे हा ती 40 करपाक जाय. ती 40 वर चडोवपाक जायना. आमगे युथा त्रासां उडोवपाक जायना. सेकंड हांव युथाक मागता कम अप अगेन्स्ट दिस गवर्नमेंट. रेजिनॉल पडे हा कुर्तोनी आमदार तुमकां आव्हान दिता. आय एम appealing to you. Go against this government and tell this government that we will teach you a lesson. हे कितें जालो काय म्हणून. And I will be there with these people.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.